75 days for MBA CET preparation. That is what we are left with now. If in case you want to get through JBMS or Signum or any top B schools in Maharashtra, now 75 days is what we have for MBA CET preparation. I hope you guys are preparing well for MBA CET preparation with your all maximum effort. Now, before I start this video, I want you guys to go and register yourself for MBA CET because 25th is the last date for registration, and as you know, exam will be conducted on 1st, 2nd and 3rd of April. These are extended date. I hope you are aware of this. Now, today's point of video is to understand how efficiently you can utilize your rest of the days, that is 75 for CET examination. As we know, there are 200 questions which you'll have to solve within 150 minutes. Now it is very much difficult to solve all the 200 questions in 150 minutes. So what we will do, we will make a strategy to solve 150 questions in 140 minutes. What is CET? CET is all about practicing number of questions on daily basis. This is what we need to do, and that is what required to do to get into JBMS or Signum like colleges. Which calculations I'm talking about? If you take any questions from Quant or DI, at the end of every question you will end up with calculations only, right? So better practice your calculations. Just take random questions, Google it. If you don't have content, just messages in the comment box on YouTube. I'll provide you that content. But you need to practice calculations on the regular basis. That is how you will increase your speed. There is no other strategy. There is no other shortcuts in code other than your self practice. So all I want, in fact, I would like to request you guys, whatever days you have, dedicate your few of the hours or at least 30 minutes from the day or from this day to your CET's day for calculations only. So 30 minutes dedicated to your calculations. तब जाके आपका क्वांट के कंसेप्ट्स आपके निकलेंगे धीरे धीरे. अदरवाइज जो आपका कैलकुलेशंस होने वाला है वो आपको तकलीफ कैसे देगा कि भाई सब कुछ हो रहा है लेकिन लास्ट वाला पार्ट कैलकुलेशन की वजह से नहीं हो रहा. अगर आप अभी फेस कर रहे होंगे, आपको क्वेश्चंस दिख रहा है लेकिन लास्ट वाला पार्ट कैलकुलेशंस की वजह से. अब फॉर एग्जांपल 18 into 90 किसको नहीं आता है, लेकिन बात वही है कि भाई कौन फास्ट कर रहा है, यही आपका डिफरेंस होगा. इफ यू लुक एट केयरफुली, देयर इज नॉट मच डिफरेंस बिटवीन जेबी एंड सिग्नम्स कट ऑफ, राइट? हार्डली देयर विल बी 2 to 3 मार्क्स कट ऑफ, बट वो 2 से 3 मार्क का कट ऑफ कहां पे जाएगा? स्पीड पे. कितना स्पीड से आप कैलकुलेशंस कर रहे हो, एंड फॉर दैट, टू एक्वायर दैट स्पीड, you need to calculate or you need to use your calculations on regular basis. You need to practice those things. Now this was a part about your calculations. This I've told for the many times, but again, in terms, you need to score good in quant, you need to be very good at verbal as well, right? Comprehension बहुत तगड़ा होना चाहिए. तो भाई अभी भी टाइम है, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, डेली न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो, क्योंकि जितना आप ज्यादा पढ़ोगे उतना ज्यादा आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल बढ़ते जाएगा. कैलकुलेशंस और आपका रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आपको करना बहुत जरूरी है. ये दो चीज भी अगर आप आने वाले कुछ दिनों में रेगुलर कंसिस्टेंटली करोगे, आई एम श्योर यू विल बी स्कोरिंग मोर देन 130 आउट ऑफ 200. Plus you'll be having some good luck out of whatever questions you will not be attempting, right? I hope you guys know the pattern of CET. You don't have negative markings, so that is, it could be a plus point or negative point, that is another part. But अगर आपके questions कुछ बच रहे, do not just leave it. Mark all the questions for 200. 200 के 200 क्वेश्चंस मुझे मार्क करने हैं. तो बेसिक स्ट्रेटजी आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए आज से कि भाई डेली मुझे कैलकुलेशंस करना है. बाकी आपका अर्थमेटिक का पार्ट और क्वांट का पार्ट वो तो कर ही रहे हम लोग. In addition to that, you need to practice calculations on regular basis. Along with your verbal studies, you need to read newspapers on the regular basis so that you can understand how these terms and vocab power works. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा vocab भी आपको सुधारना है, तो वो आपको वर्बल के पार्ट में न्यूज़पेपर से ही पता चलने वाला है, ठीक है? तो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने का तरीका आपको जो भी होगा, लेकिन पढ़ना जरूरी है. These were the two facts that I wanted to share with you guys before you utilize your entire 75 days and go for your examination. So I hope you understood what I was trying to say. The important part is you need to be very consistent till the day of examination, that is 1st, 2nd and 3rd of